Guys, I'm gonna go through a few things for the double dips for this upcoming week. Uh, I haven't looked at everything on here, but I'm just gonna point out a few things that you might want to check out your store to see if it will work towards the double dip. First thing I'm gonna talk about was this Bear aspirin coupon. It is in this week's Walgreens ad that you can see about using. First one I'm going to talk about is for the Bear aspirin. It's either for the 2 or 300 count. It does say limit of 3. You might be able to use this with this deal over here. This is for next week's ad, and it does say buy one get one free. It says selected varieties. I'm not sure if it's for the small packs. It possibly could be, or if it does work, then you'll get to buy one and you get the second one for 50% off. You get the 2,000 points, and then you'll be able to use this $3 coupon on both. It should attach to both, but like I said, it's a little bit unsure with next week's ad if it's going to hit towards the larger size bottles. These look like they might be the smaller size, but I don't buy Bear aspirin, so I can't tell you that for sure. The next one I want to talk to you guys about is the Aleve. The Aleve, it does say for the Aleve 80 or 100 count, and on there it does show that it is for the liquid gels. Next week's ad, they have them for $12.99. It says we're supposed to be getting a $3 coupon in the upcoming week's ad, so you might want to take a look at that to see if you get the newspapers early, then you'll be able to get this deal, meaning you'll get the 2,000 points, so you're going to get $6. You're going to use 2 of those $3 coupons that are coming in the mail, in the newspaper, and then you're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons, which will scan for each one of the products. So your total out-of-pocket should be $11.98 after your points and your coupons that you use. I'm a little bit unsure if it's really something worth buying. I don't buy Aleve, so I can't tell you if it's a good buy or not. I usually just try to stick with the Tylenol myself. This next one I'm going to talk to you guys about is for this Miralax. I don't know if it's going to go towards a double dip, but I wanted to share it with you. It does state on here that it is for the 17.9 ounce. It does say that this upcoming week we're supposed to be getting I'm trying to look for it on this side, and I didn't want to share it with you until I had it up. Okay, it does say that we're supposed to be getting a $5 coupon plus 2,000 points when you buy it. So it's very likely that you'll be able to, you might be able to get 2,000 points from this week's deal, and then another 2,000 points from next week's deal, but it might just give you the 2,000 points because it's the same pretty much deal twice. Like I said, I'm a little bit unsure about that. So you might be spending either $11.99 or possibly $9.99, depending on if you get double the points with that week's ad and this week's ad overlapping. Okay. So the last thing I believe that I was going to talk to you guys about was the Listerine. This week's ad, it does show on here, it says for the total care plus whitening or whitening plus restoring 16 ounce, or if you want to get the liter bottles, which is not part of the deal, you want to go for the 16 ounce bottles. With this deal, using this coupon, next week's ad, it has these on sale for $3.99. I'm going to share it with you here. Give me a second. Okay. And this one, it does say for select mouthwashes for the liter bottle. So you can do it on the liter bottles. You just have to try to find and see if any of these Ultra Clean or Total Care liter bottles, you might have a better luck on the liter bottles with this, the Ultra Clean or the Total Care. If you bring them up to the counter, and if they ring up $3.99, then you'll be able to use that $2 coupon towards this deal. So you'll be paying $3.99 for when you're gonna buy 2 at a time. Pay $3.99 for each. You're gonna have that $2 coupon that you're gonna use for this, which will make them each $1.99. And then if you do get the newspaper early, then it will only be 99 cents after this $1 coupon that you get in the newspaper, and then you're gonna get to 2,000 points, which will make these free. So you might want to try on the liter bottles, and the only reason I say that is because the 16 ounce, it does say for the whitening pre-brush rinse, and on here it does state it's only for the Total Care Plus whitening or the whitening plus restoring, not whitening plus whitening pre-brush rinse. So like I said, you might have a better luck on the liter bottles. Take a bunch of a couple of the Ultra Clean or the Total Care up to the counter that are the liter bottles, and see if they bring up $3.99. If they do, then you'll be able to do this deal, and you'll be able to get these. You should be able to get the points and get the price for the $3.99 and use your coupons for that. I believe that was it. I haven't looked through everything else yet, but if there is anything else, then I will post it up in another video. And like I said, this is for the double dip for tomorrow, January the 4th of 2014. Alright guys, take care. Bye.